Maybe we should make the break a bit more interesting with this vocal, which I can't find yet. Yeah, it's here. Which is it sounds horrible yet. Put your fucking hands up! But obviously we're going to make it better. We're going to vocode it. And the method we always use is pretty simple. Especially it works in vocodex. Not sure about other vocoding plugins, but we use vocodex, which is the built-in vocoder of FL Studio. So first you have to make 3 free inserts on your mixer. One you have to place the vocals on. The second is the carrier, which is going to modulate the notes that you're going to put down. Let's choose this. I'm going to choose Dune 3 for this init patch because it's super clean and you can make it a carrier and actually sound good super easily. So the second thing, you have to insert the carrier next to the vocals. Then you have to plug it in the third as well, just like where the vocal plugged in. And there's the third. This is the vocodex. I'm gonna rename it so you can see it clearly. And you're going to load vocodex in it. The thing you have to do is put it on, how do I remember it? 1, 2, 2, 1. So the thing which is doing with the vocal, that you're setting, for example, this MIDI for your carrier, and it's going to make these really cool chords out of the shit vocal, if I can actually say dirty words here. 1 second, and I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut again, I'm sure. All right. So next up, we're gonna do you have to tell the vocodex on which insert is your modulator and your carrier. So your modulator is the vocal itself, and the carrier is the synth that you want to make the vocal sound like it. Put your fucking hands up, put your fucking hands up, put your fucking hands up, put your fucking hands up. Maybe a bit weird, but that's why we have to. Maybe not putting this yet here. Maybe in the build it can work to make it more interesting than it is right now. And if it sounds too much like the actual vocal that you're using, you can just bug around with these two knobs and make it more distorted or more vocoded. But I'm gonna do it with not chord. Maybe it's not that good if we just follow the normal kind of the same MIDI. Maybe we should just make another one somehow. Maybe we should switch for another sound here to actually sound good. Maybe some bass sound. Not bad. The thing is, the sound is so dirty that also the vocal is super dirty that we have to just cut some frequencies. For example, these frequencies are super annoying. Not sure if this sound is going to work. Oh yeah, it's pretty hard to fish for sounds that actually sounding together well with the thing that actually you're making. Gonna place a lot of reverb on it. Then it actually works like a super good loop as something that helps the atmosphere for the build. So it feels like it's stuffed more. And yeah, a lot of stuff already happening in the build, like there's an ARP, there's this vocoder thing that we just did, there's the chords, the bass, some risers, snares, whatever. And we can still put more stuff in it just to hype the build up way more.